A woman won't open everything for you, even her emotions, kung di siya komportable sa'yo. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy, Suplado Moto. Okay, for today's vlog, may nag-comment sa comment section natin. So nagtatanong siya, paano daw ba malalaman pag ready na makipag-sex ang babae sa first date? Most of women, merong a plausible deniability. Ayaw nilang ma-consider as, or ayaw nilang mabansagan or ma-judge. Ayaw nilang ma-judge na they are very easy or yung slut na tinatawag.
How dare you?
Meron sila slut shame. So kaya hindi sila most of the time pumapayag sa first date na they will open their legs. Pero may mga babae, of course, na very emotional, na they are clouded by their own emotions, kaya pumapayag na sila agad, or talagang you are irresistible bilang lalaki. Okay, so sa tanong mo Brad, kung paano malalaman pag ready na siya, well, ikaw ang makakaalam nun. Pero meron tayong tatlong dadaanan: creating attraction, comfortable, and seduction. Yung tatlo na yon, lagi mong tatandaan yun. Ang pinakamatagal dyan is yung being comfortable, or yung magiging comfortable na siya sa'yo. A woman won't open everything for you, even her emotions, kung di siya komportable sa'yo. If you're providing value, whatever it is, financially, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually, then maybe she will open her legs for you. Most women, they can attract a lot of men, but it doesn't mean they will open their legs for those men. So kung may 10 lalaki, only one guy maybe can, or maybe the best candidate. Kaya nga, like I said, women are always looking for the best. Women have a filter mechanism. Pag wala yung filter mechanism na yon, it can affect her social life and even romantic life, or she will affect socially and romantically. Siyempre, ikaw ba naman, napaka-easy mo. So, ikaw ba, may lalaking magsisettle sa ganun na, oh my God, ang easy pala nito.
How dare you?
Paano pa? Pang-ilang kaya ako sa buhay niya? Pang-ilang kaya ako sa... Kasi wala pa akong ginagawa. Oo, nakagad siya. Tapos parang pinapayagan niya akong gawin lahat sa kanya. So, it's not also good kung nag-expect ka na mag-open kagad siya ng legs sa'yo. Dapat, you need to yung kagaya na sabi ko sa ibang videos ko na, you need to disqualify yourself as her potential mate or potential boyfriend or maybe potential sex partner. Kasi the more na ginagawa mo yon, the more na mas nagkikrave siya doon. Kasi lahat ng karamihan lalaki, iisa lang naman pinapakita natin eh. We want them, di ba? Yan ang mali sa ating mga lalaki. We are giving too much emotions, or we are investing emotions, kaya masakit sa atin pag nireject tayo. What? Yan ang mahirap sa ating mga lalaki, na hindi natin naiisip na, ay, hindi nga pala nag-work sa babae to, pero pinipilit mong gawin kasi akala mo hindi porket nag-work nung una, maybe she's just nice, kaya siya nagre-reciprocate sa'yo. Pero it doesn't mean she's really attracted sa'yo. Diba? Yung pagiging simp mo, yung pagiging people pleaser mo, hindi kailanman magiging advantage mo yan sa babae. Karamihan ang gusto ng babae is nililid sila, or yung talagang you need to set boundaries. You should know how to lead the woman. You should know how to talk to her properly. You should know how to engage with her emotions. Ganun tayo bilang lalaki. Kailangan natin mag-provide for them emotionally, mentally. Especially emotions ha. Kasi napaka-importante ng emotions sa babae, because they are dictating by their own emotions most of the time. Kaya nga marami silang bagay or mga material things na akala nila kailangan nila.
How dare you?
Maraming abubot yung mga babae na yan, mga hoarder yan. Anyway, let's not talk about that. Let's talk about kung paano mo malalaman kung ready na makipag-sex ang babae sa first date. Brad, nasa game mo yan. Okay, wala sa babae yan, nasa iyo. Ulitin ko, nasa iyo. Kung ang babae is mag-o-open ng legs on the first date, okay? Wala sa kanya, regardless kung gaano ka kagwapo. Hindi yun ang dahilan para mag-open siya ng legs sa'yo sa first date nyo. Pero ako, naniniwala ako, I cannot judge someone na nag-open ng legs for on the first date. What? Kasi hindi naman lahat ng babae is pamigay pag nag-open sila ng legs on the first date. Maybe it's really first time for them. Ako, may kilala ko ganun. First time na makakilala siya ng lalaki na talagang akala niya kasi sex is just normal, yun lang. Bibigay niya sa naging ex niya. So how many ex she had? She had 3 ex. nung nakilala niya yung pang-apat, doon niya nakita, oh, it's more than that pala. Kailangan pala talagang, kumaga, hindi lang connected siya emotionally doon sa lalaki. Kung magaling ang lalaki, how to talk, how to communicate, he can connect not only with her emotions and also with her soul. What? Oh, lalim, Brad! So yun, kaya Brad, kung pagbubutihan mo yung game mo, most likely, every time na makikipag-date ka, for sure, lagi kang, at least meron kang sexual tension na makukuha. Ito lagi mo tatandaan. Yun nga, creating attraction, make her comfortable, and you should know how to, kung kailan ka papasok sa seduction phase. Kasi diyan tayo nagkakamali. Akala ng iba, seduction phase ka agad. No, it's not. Yes, meron ganun. Pwede ka mag-umpisa sa ganun. Pero nagkakaroon ng resistance habang tumatagal. Kasi kung hindi siya makapag-decision that time na she's just oo lang ng oo, maybe she also because she's very nice person. Pero pag uwi niya ng bahay, doon niya marirealize, oh my God, what did I do? So, yung akala mo na nag-open na siya ng legs sa'yo or nakahalik ka na or maybe naka second base ka is kuha mo na siya, no, it's not. Tandaan mo, may mga lalaki rin na may nangyari sa kanila ng babae pero hindi pa rin niya nakuha yung loob. Kasi nga, hindi siya emotionally connected doon sa lalaki. Eto Brad, tatandaan mo, tumibiyok pa ako. We have 7 hours to do that. Kailangan ba isang date lang yon? Yung 7 hours pwede. Pero what I mean to say, yung 7 hours na yon is pwede mong i-divide by 3 dates. So hahatiin mo yon. So every date mo is 2 hours. So in 7 hours, okay? 7 to 10 hours, sorry. 7 to 10 hours, kailangan make sure na nakakiss ka na or anything na talagang may sexual possibility. Yun nga guys, eto ulitin ko lang. Pag nakipag-date ka, make sure na merong connection and sexual possibility. Okay? Kasi kung walang sexual possibility, only connection, ang mangyayari sa date nyo, interview. What? Ngayon, kung merong sexual possibility, walang connection, ang mangyayari sa inyo is hookup. What? So kaya, guys, kung gusto nyo na mas tumagal yung relationship nyo or any relationship na gusto mong ibigay sa kanya, dapat you should know na dapat present yung dalawa na yun. Okay? So yun lang guys, thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. Continue natin yung creating attraction, make her comfortable, and seduction phase. Okay? So yun lang guys, thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. And bye-bye!